Good morning. Today is our second day in Malvan. Yesterday morning we checked into this hotel and now it is time for us to check out. It's a very cozy and beautiful hotel. The rooms are very spacious. Actually we wanted to stay for one more day but there's no availability of the room. So we'll be moving to some other hotel which is inside the city.
We booked this hotel from Agoda.
It's time now. We are checking out from this hotel and going to a different hotel because we'll be staying for one more day in Malvan. A group of tourists have come from Mumbai and have occupied this hotel.
The weather was quite pleasant as it rained heavily the previous night. After checking out, we thought of visiting the beach.
To this side, you can see there's a beach. You can see the water from here.
We then kept all our luggage in the car and walked towards
Now
the
we are going
beach.
towards the beach. Just 200 to 300 meters from our hotel. All along this road, you will see homestays.
As this is a tourist place, there are many homestays, resorts, and restaurants nearby to the beach.
Everywhere homestays you can see. These are the small resorts. Nice there, Asik. You can see the beautiful Chivale beach of Malvan.
This beach is very beautiful. It is in the shape of a crescent. The beach was not much crowded and the people were enjoying the pleasant weather. We didn't know that the beach was so near to the hotel. Otherwise, we would have visited the previous evening also. After spending some time on this beach, we then moved to our second hotel, that is Malvan's Aishwarya, which is located within the city. Here we will be exploring the city of Malvan, which I will be showing you all in my next vlog.
We checked into the second hotel on the second day in our Malvan stay. This is Hotel Aishwarya, Malvan's Aishwarya.
Some locals suggested us to go to Hotel Chaitanya for lunch. So we have come here, which is within the city market of Malvan.
The lanes of this city are very narrow. This is how it looks. Always traffic jam. You have to wait for a long time to reach your destination here.
Yesterday evening also we were stuck in a long traffic jam.
I'm waiting outside this hotel. I'm in line. We have come to this Hotel Chaitanya for lunch. Just look at the line.
After waiting for some time, we got a table. That too, we had to share the table with somebody else. My husband was not hungry, so he didn't join us for the lunch.
Looks good.
We took one surmai and one bangda thali. Food was okay. Our hotel was located near Malvan Government Bus Stand. Walking through the narrow lanes of the city, we came across many stores which sells Malwani spices, kokum, homemade pickles, cashews, traditional sweets, and different varieties of mangoes. One such store is Geeta's Malwani Masale. Here we got to see so many local products of Malvan being sold.
We purchased this khaja and kanda lasun masala from this shop. These are the tasters. So this is kaju coconut and this is mango. Pista coconut burfi.
लहानपणीचे दिवस आहेत.
This is kachi keria. It is totally mixed with the salt and spices, different kinds of spices. Going back to childhood. This is the biryani masala. The quality is good enough.
Sunday masala. We use in chicken, mutton, regular stuff. Malwani style.
These all are Malwani masalas.
These all contains 5 type of mirchi, chili and 21 types of whole masala. They without the steam of every chili, then fried in with oil, but in chula. Okay, then we fry the masalas, all the kade masalas in the chula. Then we piece it in the dung bolte, that hammering machine. Okay, so the preparation didn't get hit, and the taste and aroma keeps for 2 years. That is the authentic procedure. Then this is garam masala. It is used everywhere in the house.
Garam masala. This is the garam masala. In an authentic way, they are preparing this in a natural process by pounding the whole masalas with the stone.
Haldi.
Haldi it is.
This is haldi. Raw turmeric. जब वो कच्चा रहता है ना तभी ये बनता है.
This pickle is of haldi pieces, chunks. Raw haldi chunks.
Non-vegetarian.
For non-vegetarians also, there is a pickle. This pickle is made from prawns, raw prawns. Raw and cooked it is cooked prawns, na?
Yeah,
It is cooked and pickled.
प्रॉन्स पिकल. इसका जो बेस है ना वो अपना चाइनीज में जो शेजवान चटनी
हाँ,
रहता है वैसा है.
Okay.
और एडेड विनेगर थोड़ा ऐड रहता है so as to preserve it.
Prawns chutney, prawns pickle. Everything you get here, sir.
बहुत हो रहा है.
If you like what is called kaju katli.
Like kaju katli. We purchased this kanda lasun masala from name of the shop. Geeta's masala. Then these all products like kaju coconut burfi. This is the what is this called as khaja, local khaja, what you get in Goa and all. And this is aam papad, ambavadi it is called as. And this is jackfruit bars and This is the which masala is this? Is keri. Keri, na? This is
Raw mango.
raw mangoes.
This is the owner of the shop.
This mom is running.
Brain behind
This
the shop.
mom is running this shop.
Hello.
How many years from here?
Only 5 years, 5 to 6 years.
Okay, nice products here.
Yeah.
Our hotel is here. We are staying here. This is our second hotel. And in front of that hotel there is a restaurant named Tourist Family Restaurant. Very colorful and beautiful it is looking. This way if you go straight, you will get the city market of Malvan. And there is a bus stand also, city bus stand here only.
That day night, we had our dinner at Tourist Family Restaurant. The food was quite good here. This is the government bus stand of Malvan.
Good morning all. Now we have come for the morning breakfast here. The breakfast is on the second floor and we are waiting for the breakfast. This is the restaurant. Yesterday night we had our dinner here and exactly in front of this hotel there is a bus stand. This is the government bus stand of Malvan. Malvan is a small city which is well known for tourism.
In my next vlog, I'll be showing you all the city market of Malvan. Thanks for watching this video. If you all like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next vlog. Until then, goodbye.